Excellency, President of the General Assembly, Your Excellencies, Heads of State and of Government, honourable members of the different delegations represented here today. I'd like to particularly greet my wife Gabriela and my daughter Leila, who are with me today. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the people of El Salvador, I am entrusted with the honour and the responsibility of serving you as President, and in that role I am pleased to address you here in this room for the first occasion from this rostrum. Now, if you'll just bear with me a second. Standing here before all of you at this 74th General Assembly is a privilege and an honour that I wanted to share with the world. Given that the new world, is not here in this General Assembly, but rather out there where this photo will be seen and shared, in the largest network in the world, a network where billions of persons are connected in real time and share almost every facet of their lives. Believe me, many more people will see that selfie once I share it than will listen to this speech.
Mr. President, the United Nations speed of leaving no one behind will remain elusive if we continue to deprive other nations of the world the opportunity to play a pivotal role in the affairs of this august Universal Assembly. We firmly believe that Taiwan is essential to the full implementation of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. The inclusion of Taiwan is a crucial step in realizing our pledge as stipulated in the preamble of the UN General Assembly Resolution 71 adopted on September 25, 2015. We call on the UN once again to uphold the principle of universality in its multilateral efforts towards total inclusion and to allow Taiwan to participate in relevant extensions on a dignified and equal footing.
At the international level, Guatemala considers that all countries, in particular those who embrace democracy and the principles that gave way to the United Nations, have the right to belong to this great organization. We believe that the experience and the capabilities of the Republic of China, Taiwan, could contribute to strengthening multilateralism in this organization and the specialized agencies.
Our collective commitment to leave no country behind also demands that we end our exclusion of Taiwan and its 23 million people. This should apply here in the General Assembly as well as in the range of international bodies that are so essential to establishing effective multilateralism, such as the World Health Assembly, International Civil Aviation Organization, and UN Framework Convention on Climate Change. We know from our partnership with Taiwan about the strength of its commitment to the Sustainable Development Goals and its equal and dignified participation in the 2030 Agenda processes will only strengthen our global effort to realize this agenda.
Sure, I'd like to see everything work out. I want it to be humane. I want everybody to be treated well. You have two big countries and they're warring countries and they've been fighting. And I mean, I heard a very aggressive statement yesterday. I don't have to say that. I was there. I didn't know I was going to hear that statement. I hadn't said, but I was sitting there and I heard a very aggressive statement yesterday from India, from the Prime Minister, and I will say it was very well received within the room. The statement itself. That was a big room. There were 59,000 people. But it was a very aggressive statement, and I hope that they're going to be able to come together, India and Pakistan, and do something that's really smart and good for both. And I'm sure there's always a solution, and I really believe there's a solution to that. You've asked one already. Go ahead, quickly. Make 1 second statement.
So if
Go ahead, make a
you
statement.
can solve this outstanding issue of Kashmir,
Yeah.
very likely and definitely you will be deserving a Nobel Prize on that.
I think I'll get a Nobel Prize for a lot of things.
Mr.
I think I'm going to get a Nobel Prize for a lot of things if they gave it out fairly, which they don't. They gave it out. Well, they gave one to Obama immediately upon his ascent to the presidency, and he had no idea why he got it. And you know what? That was the only thing I agreed with him on.